guys, welcome back to another video. So we're going to be taking a look at some items from Born Pretty today. So they've sent out a collection of gel polishes, and these are Born Pretty's Colour Light Cat Gel Light Flow. So this one's colour MY08. You do get 10ml in these. They always come sealed like this as well. Born Pretty parcels do come really well packaged. I've never had a parcel turn up where anything's been broken or anything's leaked. They do package their parcels really well. Ooh, look at the swatch on this one. It looks pretty. So we've got the name of the gel polish and the colour number there. So it's a set of 6 ranging from MY07 to MY12. And they are all out of the same collection, obviously. So these are cat eye magnetic gel polishes. So let's give them a swatch first and we'll have a little look at them to start with. So this one is MY07. We've got the ingredients on the back there. If anyone wants to have a quick look at those, give them a screenshot and you can have a proper look through them. So this is obviously what they look like over a clear. You can apply them over a black or a dark colour, but they're not really, they're more the sort of gels that want to be applied over a clear. So that's what it looks like as a full cover colour. Can you see it's really sheer? And then pulled the magnet out. I'm just going to pull them particles out, flip it round, do the little swirly design that I like to do. And then that's what it looks like with the magnet effect. This is really pretty, isn't it? So now we're on to MY08. So what I'm going to do is, guys, I'm going to swatch the rest of these, speed the swatching up, pop a little bit of music on, and then once they're all swatched and top coated, we'll come back in, take a look at them, and then I want to do a little design using them.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wasteland. wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on
So that's what they look like all swatched, guys. So that's colours from NY07 to NY12. They're really, really pretty, aren't they? They've also been top coated with Born Pretty's Super Top Coat. Such an amazing glossy top coat that is, guys. It's scratch resistant, stain resistant. It stays glossy for weeks, anti-yellowing. It's a really, really nice formula. It's the top coat that I always reach for when I'm doing my own nails. Yeah, it's a really, really nice top coat. My nails stay glossy for weeks when I wear that. So, yeah, that's them all swatched. That's what they look like with the magnet effect. So now I want to do a design using, I think I'm going to use NY07, the goldy coloured one. Yeah, I think I'm going to use NY07. So I've pulled my tips out. I've already measured these up to fit my nails, guys, but I do prefer to work on tip display stands. And I've pulled out this RBG03, which is a rubber base coat from Born Pretty. I really like this base coat. It looks like, it gives the effect of like a gel nail. After a couple of coats, it's like a milky sort of pink colour. It's beautiful. So I'm going to give 2 coats of that, but I'll only show you me doing 1 coat on a couple of the nails. Like that. So I've pulled out this white Born Pretty pat paint, and I'm going to give a full coat of that to the thumb and the ring fingernail. I love these pat paints, guys. They are so pigmented. Look at that on a clear tip. 1 coat, full coverage. They're really, really nice to use, nice to work with. They apply super smooth. They self-level beautifully as well. They're really, really nice to use. So give them a cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. So now I'm going to wipe over all the tips with some isopropyl alcohol on a lint-free pad. Just get rid of that tacky layer. I'm going in with these French smile line stickers, but they're a white smile line, but they've got a white fade just above the smile line as well. They're trending all over the internet at the minute. They're really, really pretty. I've seen some cool designs done with these. So I'm going to apply that to the pinky, the middle, and the pointer finger. So the 3 like nude coloured nails, the ones that I've used the rubber base coat on. So when you're applying these and you've got that overhang at the side, just run along that edge with your file, and that will get rid of any overhang at the sides. So now we're going in with NY07, which is that gold, the gold cat eye that we swatched earlier, and I'm just painting that on the very tip underneath that white smile line. And then once I've painted that on, I just want to then go in with my magnet and just bring out that cat eye effect. Just like that. And then once I'm happy with it, pop it in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Now I'm going in with this gold reflective cat eye magnetic gel. Swatched this in a previous video. So this has got more chunkier bits of glitter in. It's got reflective glitter in there as well. And I've just added a teeny tiny bit into that cuticle area. I want this to be a bit like a cuticle fade, cuticle glitter fade, just like that. So now I'm going to go in with a base coat, and the reason I'm going in with this base coat is just to get rid of some of them lumps. The nail's a little bit uneven, it's not super smooth, so go in with a nice thick layer of that base coat, and that should just smooth that nail out. So now I'm going in with Born Pretty's Super Top Coat, and I'm applying a full coat of that onto the thumbnail. That will seal all that white pat paint in. And then before I cure that, I've pulled out this little gold Gucci metal slice. I'm going to stick that into that top coat and then cure it for 60 seconds. And that will hold that all in place. So that's that now done. Now we're on to the ring fingernail. Giving it a full coat of Born Pretty's Super Top Coat, and that's that now done. Pop it straight in the lamp. So this is the pinky nail. We're now going over that base coat with the Super Top Coat. Before I cure that, I'm going to pop this little gold embellishment right on the tip, and then just above that, I want to add a couple of teeny tiny clear crystals. No, just one, sorry, one clear crystal. On this nail, I've pulled out the black painting gel, and I'm just painting a black stripe going down the middle of the nail, only about a quarter of the way down, just like that. Give it a cure. And then beneath that, I've pulled out these Gucci stickers, and I'm sticking that Gucci sticker underneath. Then go in with the super top coat from Born Pretty. Before I cure that, I'm also going to add a gold metal rectangle embellishment and then a clear crystal underneath that. Then give that a cure for 60 seconds. That's what they look like all finished, guys. I really like these, you know. These are my kind of nails that I like. I do like my little Frenchies. I do like my little short square nails. These are definitely my kind of nails. So everything that I've used today, guys, I will leave links for in my description box below. So if there is anything that you see me use that you're interested in, all you got to do is click that link and it will take you straight over to the product. Really easy. I have got a massive 12% off discount code for Born Pretty as well. So make sure you put GG10 in at checkout and that will take 12% off your whole order. I just want to say a massive thank you for Born Pretty for sending these for us to take a look at. Thank you so much. Them cat eyes are really pretty, aren't they? Can't wait to do some more designs with those cat eyes. And yeah, that's everything for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.